好爽哦！
不好意思，我可以拍照吗？ Good morning, guys. I'm Nicholas.
I'm Kelly.
And we are K.Mosa. Today I'm wearing my adventure hat. And if you're already a subscriber, thank you so much for coming back.
If this is your first time visiting our channel, welcome!
Our channel is about fun culture and language differences that we experience every day in our marriage.
我们走吧。
Let's go. Today we are going on another adventure. So we found a waterfall nearby we're gonna go check out.
Yeah.
This little gravel road between rice fields where our villa is.
Yeah.
So that's kind of the thing I've noticed most about Ubud is it just feels a little more calm than some of the other places.
Westerner usually like to come here like a zen, quiet,
Yes.
like meditation, yoga.
I would encourage you to do your own research depending on what you like when you travel. For us, that's what's been the most fun is like the spontaneous things so far.
Yeah.
We just Google this morning where we want to go, where we feel like. It's different than in Taiwan. In Taiwan, you only have like some certain area, A or B. But one thing I learned, like when you travel, is so many different options. So this is a real coconut, not human bone.
No.
No.
The fee for this waterfall was 20,000 rupees per person.
Wow!
It's cool. It's cool. All right, now we're heading down. So far, it's an easier walk than yesterday's waterfall. Very well-maintained path. See it? 真的很 local. 真的很 local. Definitely something. It's steep. It's very steep, but the stairs are really solid.
In Bali, they do have king and queen and princesses, and it's been a long time like a trading hub, trading with Japanese, with the Chinese coming down from the north, and then also trading stuff with like local kingdoms like Sulawesi, the Bugis, and the Makassarese. Yeah, so
Oh.
then, and even as far as like the Indian from southern India,
Yeah.
they came to Bali to trade.
Wow! I didn't know that. This is a real history book.
So we don't know how old this is, Balinese tribe that made this, or if it's just been locals carving in. It feels like
Something important.
something important and that it's been here a while. Looks like somebody put in some work to make this a bath area. And they could kind of control the water a little bit. It's really cool. Let's see what it feels like.
Oh, feels so good. 很热，已经流汗了。那我要下去喽。啊，so good，好爽哦。You're gonna teach me how? What do you mean? Like here can bath?
In parts of Taiwan, there are some natural hot springs in the river, and you know how people will take rocks to form a small pool where they can sit in. So instead of taking individual rocks, this looks like they carved it out or use bigger boulders here. You can tell just by the etchings in the stone, right? And it could be natural or it could be man-made. And they had this little pool area here. It's super cool. Like, I can't express how amazing this feels. It is the middle of the jungle. It looks like we're on a movie set or something. It's the queen of the local tribe. Let's ask her if we can take a selfie. 不好意思，我可以拍照吗？我可以拍照吗？
Yes, yes, yes.
Oh, my queen. Okay, I'm gonna cross over to the waterfall using this rope set up here. Let's see how it goes. We've watched a few people cross. It looks okay. Just watch your footing. Are you ready for the sign? Give it a try.
Adventure.
Adventure. Gonna slide down on your bum. In no hurry, so take your time finding a good solid step. You got it. Sit down here. Slide in. Another waterfall up the river. I can't quite see it from here, but looks amazing as well. Look at that. Good job. Adventurer Sunha comes down the river. I hope he got footage of that other waterfall. I'm totally stealing it.
I hope he has a travel insurance.
Wow, we survived the rivers of Bali. It's fun to watch now that we're on the other side. I'm so glad that we invested in Nomad insurance from SafetyWing. It was super easy to do. We literally did it as we were going to the airport to go to Bali. So
Yeah, you feel more secure, like adding more. Just feel like 比较安心.
we'll leave a link in the description below
Yeah.
if you are interested in travel medical insurance from SafetyWing. Back to the waterfalls of Bali.
游泳池做那个 SPA 冲水有没有？这边就是天然的。没有滑梯。Yes.
Slip and slide. Perfect, you're good.
Oh.
Look at you, my little adventurer. A couple more steps.
Bucket list， 我刚刚做了一个 natural 溯溪，还有第一个wild waterfall。
All right, it was fun. I'm exhausted.
Yeah.
It was unexpected. It was spontaneous. It was an adventure.
Totally different in your head, like a body, relax, spa every day.
Yeah, and we're loving every minute of it, really.
Yeah. All right.
Remember, get out there, give it a try.
No try.
No, no. Mwah.